Today we're checking out a simple must-have organizer that keeps your cleanup tools off the floor and in place on the wall. This is the RecPro RV Wall Mount Mop and Broom Holder, a heavy-duty, easy-install utility gripper built specifically for RVs and campers. What makes it great? These strong spring-loaded grippers hold handles securely so your brooms, mops, and other long tools stay put without slipping or sliding to help keep your RV better organized. When you're done using a broom, just push the broom into the holder and gravity does the rest. Then, when you're ready to use it again, just pull it out. Installing the broom holder is really easy. All it requires is 2 screws to secure it to your desired location. Since it's compact and RV friendly, it's perfect for campers, motorhomes, and trailers. If you'd like to know the measurements of this product, they'll be up on the screen so you can pause the video and take a look. If you'd like to learn more about RecPro's RV wall-mounted mop and broom holder, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.